It's Christmas Day and 'tis the season of giving, so one local teen is making a difference. 23 ABC's Vanessa Romo has a look at how he's giving back after a years-long battle with cancer.
17-year-old Julian Castaneda battled leukemia for years, in and out of the hospital, feeling trapped, he says. That is why he now wants to give back and make patients' experience a little bit better this holiday season. Diagnosed with leukemia at the age of 10, Julian Castaneda was forced to deal with the side effects.
In the hospital, you feel like you're not able to go out, so you're not able to do anything. It's almost like you're in like a prison cell.
Julian battled with leukemia for 3 years, went through remission, but his leukemia came back 1 year later.
I was just sad and didn't really know what was going to happen.
Julian was put on the transplant list and shortly after got the bone marrow he needed.
It feels a lot better now. Yeah, a lot healthier.
For a year now, Julian has been in remission, but his days and nights in the hospital still taking a toll on him.
I've seen how other patients in there didn't have the support of friends and family at all times, so this is just a way for them to feel
loved with Bags of Love, a foundation Julian created with bags filled with teddy bears, crayons, bracelets, and much more to bring any kid a smile.
I'm very proud, especially being his uncle, just seeing him, from day one to where he is right now. It's just very humbling. Just seeing what he's all about, wanting to give back to the community, wanting to do something that's grander than himself.
Julian started fundraising, recruiting his friends, and even started a club at his high school. Anything and everything to get these bags created.
Julian's such a workhorse. He really is. Every single day he's doing something.
Not letting his past dictate his future.
He understands that he has a full future ahead of him, and that this is not going to hold him down, that this is not going to be like his life story.
But a battle he has overcome and a story he is happy to tell this holiday season.
It makes me feel good to know that other patients feel better when they receive these bags.
Julian has raised thousands of dollars since starting Bags of Love in April and has made over 100 bags. He plans on passing these bags out to the hospitals that treated him while he battled leukemia. In studio, Vanessa Romo, 23 ABC.